In this video, I will show you how to find and access TikTok shop. So let's get started. First of all, I'm not here to fix a problem by sending support to TikTok support team. So what I'm gonna do is to give you knowledge about why you are not getting the TikTok shop. All right. So first it can be a problem like you are not in a region where the TikTok shop is available. So to find out the availability of the TikTok shops, like you need to search on the Google TikTok shop available countries. So here you go. You can see it is being said that TikTok shop is currently available in Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, UK, USA, and only the Vietnam. So this country is only eligible for the TikTok shops. If you are not in these countries, you cannot use or access the TikTok shop. This is the ultimate truth and you need to acknowledge it. So I think I have given you much information on this video. If you have learned something new in this video, please leave a like and let's have a discuss on the comment section and have a very good day.